Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Upgraded Than Yesterday. Today we are going to learn about Stream API, its intermediate operations, terminal operations and short circuit concepts. Also we are going to learn about what are the advantages and disadvantages of Stream API. What is Stream API in Java? In Java, a stream is not a data structure, but it is a pipeline that processes data from a sources like a list or a set or an array without modifying the original data. Stream APIs are introduced with the Java 8 release. Stream in Java does two types of operations, intermediate operation and terminal operation. The intermediate operations are used to transform the data of the stream, whereas the terminal operations are used to get the output from the stream. The stream uses lazy loading strategy to improve the performance. The intermediate operation does not get executed until a terminal operation is called. Here are a few intermediate operations listed. Filter. Filter method is used to filter the elements of the stream based on the given condition. Map. Map is used to transform the element of the stream. flatMap. flatMap is used to flatten the nested structure of the stream. Sorted. It helps to sort the given elements in natural or custom order. Distinct. It helps to remove duplicate elements from the stream. Limit. Limit is used to restrict the number of elements into n elements. It is a short circuit operation. takeWhile. It is a short circuit operation. It stops when condition fails. It was introduced in Java 9. Skip. Skip method is used to skip the first n elements. Pick. It helps to log or print the elements without interrupting the processing. Here are a few terminal operations listed. forEach. forEach helps to perform an operation on each element. Collect. Collectors the toList. It helps to convert a stream into a list. Count. It helps to count the number of elements in the stream. Reduce. It helps to combine the output into a single value. Min. It helps to get the minimum value from the stream. Max. It helps to get the maximum value from the stream. findFirst. It is a short circuit operation. It helps to get the first element from the stream. findAny. It is also a short circuit operation. It helps to get any element from the stream. anyMatch. It is also a short circuit operation. It returns boolean in case of any match is found. allMatch. It is also a short circuit operation. It returns boolean in case of all match is found. nonMatch. It is also a short circuit operation. It returns boolean in case of no match is found. toArray. It helps to convert a stream into an array. We have mentioned the term short circuit. Let's understand what is short circuit. Short circuiting means the stream stops processing as soon as the result is determined. This improves performance as it won't process entire data source. Intermediate short circuit operations are limit and takeWhile, whereas terminal short circuit operations are findFirst, findAny, anyMatch, allMatch and nonMatch. Let's understand the Stream API with a real life example. Suppose you are a teacher and you need to deliver marksheet to each student who secured more than 60%, and also you need to convert their marks to grade. In this case, first you will be filtering out the marksheets with marks greater than 60. In Stream API, the intermediate operation filter method will be used for this operation. Then you will be converting the marks into grade. In Stream API, the intermediate operation map method will be used. Then you will be delivering the marksheet to the selected student. In Stream API, the terminal operation forEach will be used. Now let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Stream API. Let's discuss the advantages. There are multiple advantages. Here I have listed a few. First advantage, it helps to write cleaner and readable code. The Stream API lets you to express what you want rather than how to do it. Let's take an example. You are provided a list of strings and you need to modify all the strings to uppercase that start with the letter A. Look at the code. In traditional way, you will be just looping through the given list and will be checking if the string is started with A. If the condition satisfied, then you will be modifying the string to uppercase and then collecting the result. But in Stream way, you will be just writing a single line of code. This single line of code will include the intermediate operations like filter and map methods and the terminal operations like collect methods to collect the result. This is how the Stream API helps to write cleaner and readable code. Next advantage, it uses lazy loading strategy to improve the performance of the stream. Any operation never gets executed until a terminal operation is called. If there is no terminal operation defined, then the stream is just defined. It won't execute anything. Look at the code. In this code, the intermediate operations filter and map won't get executed until the terminal operation collector the toList is called. Let's execute the stream and understand it step by step. For the input apple start with the letter A. So filter method is passed. After that, map method is executed to make it uppercase. And then the collect method is called. For the input banana does not start with the letter A. So filter method is failed and hence execution stops here. For the input avocado start with the letter A. So the filter method is passed. After that, map method is executed to make the string uppercase and then the collect method is executed. Orange does not start with the letter A, so the filter method failed and hence execution stops here. Next advantage, the stream supports parallel processing with the API parallel stream. There is no need to define the traditional multithreading concept like executor service or thread objects to achieve the parallel processing. The parallel stream internally uses forkjoin framework, specifically the forkjoin_pool.commonPool static method. Look at the code. For the same input, there will be same output for both normal stream and parallel stream. But the parallel stream will be faster when it comes to process large amount of data. Next advantage, it allows method chaining. In a single line of code, we can execute multiple operations to get the expected output. Without method chaining, we would have ended up writing several loops to get the expected output in traditional way. Look at the code. It is filtering the input, then applied operation to modify the data, then it removed duplicate and limited the output to maximum 3 entries. These many operations are chained in a single line to get the expected output. Next advantage, Stream has provided built-in functions like grouping by, counting, average, etc. Look at the code. First example, the grouping by function is used to get the list of employees for each department. Second example, the average function is used to get the average salary of the employees. Third example, the counting function is used to get the number of employees in each department. Next advantage, Stream provides immutability. It does not modify the source data. It catches everything inside the stream and processes it. Once the processing is completed, it provides the output. Look at the code. Both original data and the stream outputs are printed. The source data is not modified by the stream, but the output of the stream is modified. Next advantage, optional class to handle null pointers to avoid system crashes. The terminal operations like findFirst returns optional. which helps us to handle null pointers. Look at the code. findFirst method returned optional, and the optional has methods like if present and or else to handle the data availability. Let's discuss the disadvantages. There are multiple advantages that we have already discussed. Now let's look at the disadvantages. Stream is not reusable. Once a terminal operation is called, the stream becomes closed. Look at the code. The stream of string is defined without any terminal operation. Now, when the first terminal operation collect is called to print the output, it printed the output, and with that the stream got closed. When the next terminal operation count is called, it has thrown illegal state exception. Stream has already been operated upon or closed. Next disadvantage. If the requirement is very small, then usage of looping is better than the stream, as the stream looks harder to write. Next disadvantage is streams are hard to debug. The pick method can be used to print the values, but it does not give the control over the error handling. Next, the race condition in parallel stream. The parallel stream may go to the race condition. Look at the code. The output list is getting populated by the parallel stream, where there is a chance of getting race condition as the list is not thread safe. The next disadvantage is every variable has to be final or effectively final to use inside the stream, like in lambda expression. Look at the code. The variable sum is not declared as final, but when it is tried to increment inside the stream, it is complaining compile time error. At last, although the stream uses lazy loading strategy, but the operations like sorted or distinct consumes the entire stream before proceeding, which is against the lazy evaluation. That's all for this video. I hope you liked this video and were able to learn something new. Until the next video, take care, bye bye, and thank you for staying with me.